storm that could
Here you
bring
go.
life-threatening flooding over the next 24 hours. Last hour, Mayor Bass urged Los Angeles residents to stay home, saying the city is not used to the level of rain it is set to experience.
Our priority is for Angelenos to be informed and to stay home. To stay home, and tomorrow, when we expect the rains to be even heavier, for people to work remotely if they can. You know, Los Angeles is not used to weather events like this.
Meteorologist Elisa Rafa is tracking the storm from the CNN Weather Center. So, what is the threat right now?
We have flash flood warnings that are continuing to expand across the Los Angeles County area, now in effect for parts of central and western Los Angeles, including places like Malibu, Burbank, Hollywood, Beverly Hills. This until midnight local time, where up to 2 inches of rain has already fallen and another 1 to 4 inches of rain is possible. All of this in that red shading area. For parts of Santa Barbara, they're talking about that flash flooding damage being considerable up in Ventura County. So something that we'll have to watch out for. And again, this threat is just continuing to slide east as we go into the overnight, because the rainfall rates will pick up overnight tonight into tomorrow. Looking at rainfall rates of 1 to 1.5 inches possible. Here's a look at the storm. It's still, finding some of those heavy downpours from central into northern California. This number has been climbing like crazy. Power outages. 550,000 people, 500,000 people in California right now without power from the rain and the wind. The high risk continues as we go into the night tonight for that excessive flooding. This happens fewer than 4% of the time, but is responsible for 80% of our flood damage and 40% of our flood-related deaths. So just incredibly rare, and it lingers again tomorrow. We still have this high flood risk for the Los Angeles area on Monday, where several inches of rain is possible. So we're talking about dangerous, life-threatening flash floods, river and urban flooding, mud, debris flow, and landslides, and down trees and power lines, all from the water and the wind, because we're looking at gusts making it over 75, 80 miles per hour. We already have reports of that for parts of California today. All of that kind of dark red showing where we have these very intense wind gusts. And when we're talking about the rain, when you're looking at Southern California, we're looking at widespread 3 to 6 inches of rain, but some places you get over 8 inches of rain. And if we get those over 8-inch totals, that would be half a year's worth of rain just in a couple of days. Omar.
Wow. Elisa Rafa in the CNN Weather Center, thank you so much. Still ahead for us, we are continuing to follow breaking news. The Senate has